In the heart of Africa lies a vast savanna teeming with life. Leo, a young lion, dreams of adventure beyond the plains. Kora, a wise elephant, warns him of dangers unknown. Ignoring warnings, Leo sets out to explore the savanna. He encounters Zazu, a mischievous monkey, offering companionship. Together, they venture deeper into the wild landscape. They stumble upon a hidden waterhole, bustling with animals. Zazu reveals he knows many secrets of the savanna. Jealous hyenas plan to chase them away from the waterhole. Leo devises a plan to outsmart the cunning hyenas. With Kora's advice, he uses teamwork to scare them off. The savanna becomes a place of stories and newfound friendships. Leo learns courage, trust, and the value of wisdom. He returns home, sharing tales of bravery and unity. A once curious lion, now a respected leader among his pride. The savanna holds secrets only the brave dare uncover.